Wave or something. Oh, free Wave.
He free. He free.
He free?
Yeah, they found out he had nothing to do with it.
Oh, because he was 5'6" and 315 pounds.
Yeah, he matched the description.
When I seen his description, I said, Big O got arrested?
Hater. Hey, man, I need y'all to go spam Josh comments with eggplants.
Damn, hey.
Yeah.
You already know it. Purple Z Eggplant Boys.
Yeah.
Pause. No Diddy.
Yeah. Hey, you should wrap your car eggplant, like an eggplant.
I be hitting the back of all them bitches. I be a habitual bitch hitter.
What's an habitual bitch?
I just made it up. I didn't even know I could pronounce habitual, honestly.
This man Josh is a professional yapper, y'all.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. If without context, if you just say I'm a habitual bitch hitter, that shit sounds wild.
Like I beat bitches?
Like you just
Like I hit them?
Yeah.
Either or.
Like
I'm not one of them fellas to be like, oh, I don't hit women. Bitch, you hit me hard enough, I'm gonna slap you back.
I ain't gonna lie.
Hey.
I ain't gonna lie.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, self-defense.
So I would never beat on a woman.
Cause there's some
But
big.
if you hit me and you like bust my lip or hit my nose in sensitive areas, pop, bitch, I'm a man.
Cause I ain't gonna lie, it's some big back bitches that swing pretty hard.
And don't pass out. I'm smashing. Smashing the door to get out.
Oh my god.
To get out the house, bro. I'm not.
Oh my god.
I would never smash something unconscious.
What's happening, baby?
That's not breathing.
Doing good, how you doing? I ain't gonna lie, them free donuts?
Where?
Right there. Oh. Oh. No HREs?
About the purple or the gold?
Shit, even a gold.
The gold's hard.
The goal was this.
It's like a stainless. I don't know.
Shout out TJ Hunt. TJ Hunt with the HREs. You think we rich? We're not rich.
See, we're not rich apart.
We're rich
together. Black community, y'all need to clip in, man. Come on. The only time black people were together is when they shipped us over on a boat.
It's gonna be so many cuts in this shit. Like,
I ain't cut nothing. Hey, y'all finna hear all the foolishness. Where you go? Damn. Where did
Talk shit and then go. That was somebody else. It wasn't me. I wouldn't say anything like that.
Let's rewind this clip so we can show y'all.
That nigga stole your color combination, Josh. How you feel about that?
I ain't gonna lie.
That's a pink. Yeah, I went the rap way. You went the pink.
I'm talking about the gold.
John said it again. You went to what?
I went the rap way. He went the paint way.
That's a completely different thing, huh?
Broke niggas, be quiet.
Hey, Josh.
And he went to gold wheels.
No. Oh, there they go. There they go, John.
goddamn Coney said.
I ain't gonna lie.
Oh,
Seeing stuff like this made me realize how poor I am. Can I ride with you so I can feel important? Imagine hitting a Koenigsegg with your ugly Porsche. You hit a what? Your insurance company, you hit a what? It's over with. They're not finna, man, what? We never knew you. Get this money back. Take your money back. We don't know you. Yeah, what? Your kids gonna have to pay for that shit. He gonna be dead and gone and still paying his kids. So why don't y'all have to work? Yeah, this girl hit our Koenigsegg, my dad's Koenigsegg, like 12 years ago. Now look at the watch. Ooh, my wiener. Hey Josh, you make a dick hard?
Oh, man. first one to bring everybody out on the road. Y'all standing on the sidewalk.
yeah.
Come on,
Hey,
man.
hey,
You wasn't
you a
Yeah.
trendsetter.
Yeah. It's all about that content. Fuck the police. Not all the time. The GSP, not y'all.
Definitely
Not yet, not y'all. I'm talking like Henry County, motherfucker. Ford GT, man, one of the rarest cars out right now. All cars like
You hit the wrong pothole, a $20,000 mistake.
Yes, sir. The GT500s complain about that too. You know, they put the same wheels on them, and then when they did the Mustang GT500s, they hit a pot.
It's over with. But
Fucking time. And that's what get 5-minute video to ground.
you been on what?
I've been recording this whole time at the
Oh.
ground. I just hate it because it slowed down my download speed.
Oh yeah, bro. Somebody put the fattest handprint. I don't know if you can see it,
That motherfucker got some good eyes. I don't know.
but they put the fattest hand. Like stand right here. Yeah, they put the fattest handprint. Your hand greasy as hell. Boy had a cheeseburger from the McDonald's.
Carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber wheels. This it is a V6 twin turbo though, but it's okay. I fuck with this one, right? Got to.
Like V6 twin turbos don't make more power than.
If y'all didn't notice when Ford first came out with this car a long time ago, you know, Ferrari got mad because they felt like they were stealing the front inlets on these, but the car could not go down the track without picking up air, man. So this is a nice design. Shout out to Ferrari, but Ford got it, and they beat your ass, so it's all good. It is.
You know what I'm gonna put right here? The more you know.
You know what I'm saying? What I didn't know though is they got a all carbon fiber dash as well.
Josh know all the technical shit.
Oh, I love it.
I know it's a $500,000 car and I can't afford it because I'm poor.
I can't even afford the brakes.
He said I can't even afford the ceramic brakes.
Is it ceramic? Because it
Yeah,
looks
that's
like
ceramic.
It looked like carbon fiber brakes on that guy.
It's a ceramic brake.
This how you go bankrupt. Just touching them motherfuckers.
Huh? And I got it on video. He gonna use an insurance claim.
Oh yeah. I got monkey grease on my rims.
He gotta replace the whole.
Yeah.
The whole.
He go to break. He like, what the fuck? Where's the owner? You gotta open this shit up. I never seen no way. There is absolutely no way that works. At 120, that's gonna put too much pressure down and put a hole in it.
Did he drill into it?
Right there.
It's a CR7.
But what is a CR7? Okay, let's check out the screws though. Look. These are
CR7?
three Home Depot screws holding it in the trunk.
Hey, but I'm gonna tell you where the money went. Look at the exhaust.
Corsa.
Yeah.
Corsa.
And look at the roof. It looked like it fell off once, but yeah.
That's what I'm saying. But look at the screws holding the wheel on. You don't want to be behind him at 120. That's coming up.
I ain't gonna lie.
Walmart
He got a
specials.
Corsa exhaust, so it got to be a CR1.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We didn't even pay it. Look what you didn't notice.
The red mirrors, though.
The red mirrors.
Bro, that's tape.
That's hard, though, bro. You got the red mirrors with the red lining on the wheels with the red brakes.
That's not hard. She whispered it and shit. That is not hard. It fucking sucks.
Let's get crunked up.
Hey, make sure when y'all look at stuff like this, put your pinkies up. You know what I'm saying?
Man, you good with two turbos on this thing.
Still money leaving my bank account looking at this. We ain't even made it to the corner seg yet.
Can't. No. I ain't gonna let them get me like that. He got the monkey flu.
Wow.
It is. Oh wait. Uncle?
Whoa. Oh no, that'll get us in trouble too.
Things look like
10 more minutes, we gonna be at the front. Oh.
Hey, yo, we gonna be able to see it soon.
Almost. Hey, grab your pictures. Keep it going.
What the fuck just happened?
I gotta take a shit. Can't be here all day. I didn't take more than this shit. I was rushing.
Oh, can I climb up there too?
I'm saying, can I get on somebody back? Okay,
Can I get up there too?
I see it now. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. We're done. I'm not gonna go. I need you too.
The closer we get, the more moist my balls get.
Stand on top of somebody's car. It's not
What?
as fuck.
And I'm standing behind you, so if you feel something, it's my flashlight.
Got it on my ear. Wait a minute.
You got it on your ear? When we lick it?
No.
No, okay.
No Diddy, man.
No Diddy. Oh yeah, I forgot. No Diddy. Makes it straight again. No, it don't. It's still the same.
Interior's white and orange.
The interior white? My God, 20 more minutes and we're gonna be there.
That's what he said. Your cousin.
Wait.
That's your cousin.
So, Jew, how glazed do you want to be? An inch, 2 inches?
You got a Coney said it don't matter.
Like full glaze,
Full glaze.
facial glaze.
Like you gotta lick the glaze off before you get to the sweet center?
Wait a
You
minute.
got a Coney said it don't matter.
Don't worry. Don't. Just let it.
Talk about donuts.
We talk about donuts. Yeah. All right, so I tried to get y'all the video of the Kona said, but
We gonna get the video.
we gonna have to get that later. We can't get it right now. Now if we'd have had Brando with us,
Brando would have got that shit.
Brando would have cleared that whole out. He'd be like, hey, y'all move, cuz y'all. I feel like being that tall in life, it be perks. Yeah, you get perks and stuff. Cause like, who gonna say something? It's just cause you tall.
Did we see those?